hypertension prediction using deep learning. To run this project, we need to open command prompt in this location. The shortcut is cmd, and you need to type python manage.py run server to run this server. You need to copy this IP address and paste it on browser. You can use any browser, Chrome or Edge. So this project has three modules: admin, model builder, and user. This is the index page. Admin credentials are admin and admin. So admin can upload the dataset. Here are the dataset stats, column names, data preview, feedback. So which comes from user end, and you can manage the user. You can delete the user as well and log out. Model builder module. Credentials are builder and builder. So you can view the dataset which is uploaded by admin. Here are the dataset stats, total rows and columns, duplicates, column names, null values, data types of each column, and data preview of top 10 columns. And we are training this model using the dataset. Here are the training stats. We have used ANN, artificial neural networks, model summary, classification report. This is the training history of each epoch, accuracy graph, loss graph, confusion matrix. Logout. User should register first. After registration, you can log in. As I have registered, I'm logging in. So, as the model builder has trained the model, we can use this model for prediction. We got the output. This data is stored in our history in database, and also user can give a feedback to admin